Guys, today is a super special day because today is the day that I graduate college. Woo!
What up, Seattle colleges? I'm talking north, south, central. When we link up, we unstoppable.
I am so proud of myself.
We did it. 2 years of long, hard work, 6 hours a day, 5 days a week.
My biggest inspiration for going to school and graduating has been my son.
Biggest supporter, I'm gonna have to go with my mom and my twin.
Thank you for everything they did for me.
This was really a moment throughout these 2 years of my progression and growth, not only as a student, but as a person.
One thing I'd like to say to my fellow graduates is that I'm really proud of you. You've made it to the end of this part of your journey at least, and congratulations.
I wish I really was at T-Mobile Park to congratulate you.
Congratulations. We are so proud of you. You have worked hard.
We know that you're going to go out in the world and make a difference. So congratulations. Keep it up.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Alicia. Woo!
This city right here.
On behalf of the Counseling Center, congrats, class of 2020.
Well, may you flourish as you pursue and continue to pursue your educational and career goals.
Your hard work and dedication led you to this well-deserved moment.
I wish you vibrant empowerment with challenges as well as access to joy.
You are an inspiration to all that it's never too late to achieve your goals.
Melody is one of the few in my family to receive a Bachelor of Sciences in anything.
Know that I am in awe of your collective spirit and dedication to affect change in the world.
I just want to say how incredibly proud we are of what you've accomplished.
Thank you for letting us be part of your journey.
Well, all right. Well, okay. Hey, this city right here. This our city. Throw your hands in the air.
You're unstoppable.
You will do well if you do not let any challenges stop you ever. We are inspired by you. We're proud of you because you are unstoppable.